You've probably stood in a store, running your fingers across a gorgeous handbag, wondering if it's actually worth the price tag, or if it'll fall apart in 6 months. The truth is, the material of your handbag determines almost everything about how it'll look, feel, and hold up over time. Today, we're breaking down 20 different handbag materials, so you can finally make an informed choice the next time you're shopping. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly which materials deserve your money and which ones to walk right past. Let's start with the classics, beginning with full-grain leather. This is the gold standard, the top layer of the animal hide, with all its natural markings intact. It's incredibly durable, develops a beautiful patina over time, and can literally last decades with proper care. The downside? It's expensive, often starting around $200 and climbing into the thousands for designer pieces. If you want a bag that gets better with age and you're willing to invest, full-grain leather is your best bet for everyday use. Just remember to condition it every few months to keep it supple and protected from drying out. Many people pass down full-grain leather bags through generations, making them worthwhile investments despite the initial cost. Now, top-grain leather is what most people encounter at mid-range price points. It's the second highest quality, sanded down to remove imperfections and often coated for a uniform appearance. It's still durable and looks great, but it won't develop that gorgeous patina like full-grain. Price-wise, you're looking at anywhere from $100 to $500. For work bags or travel, this strikes a nice balance between quality and budget. Many professional women swear by top-grain leather briefcases and totes because they look polished without requiring the investment of full grain. The protective coating also makes it slightly more resistant to minor spills and scratches. Here's one that confuses a lot of people: patent leather. That glossy, almost wet-looking finish isn't actually a different type of leather. It's regular leather coated with lacquer or synthetic material. It's stunning for evening bags and adds instant sophistication, but it scratches easily and can crack in extreme temperatures. Keep it for special occasions rather than daily use, and store it carefully away from other bags to prevent color transfer. A soft cloth and gentle cleaner are your best friends for maintaining that mirror-like shine. Avoid leaving patent leather in hot cars or direct sunlight, as heat can cause the coating to bubble or peel. Nubuck is where things get interesting. It's top-grain leather that's been buffed on the outer surface to create a velvety texture similar to suede, but more durable. It feels luxurious and looks sophisticated, but here's the catch. It stains easily and requires regular protective sprays. If you live somewhere rainy or humid, nubuck probably isn't your friend. But for dry climates and careful owners, it's absolutely beautiful. The texture adds visual interest that smooth leathers simply cannot match. Speaking of which, suede is nubuck's more delicate cousin. It comes from the inner split of the leather, giving it that soft, fuzzy texture we all love. The problem is, it's a magnet for water stains, dirt, and scuffs. Suede bags look incredible, but demand high maintenance and should really be reserved for dry weather and gentle handling. Price ranges vary wildly depending on quality, from $50 to several hundred. Investing in a good suede brush and waterproofing spray is essential if you decide to go this route. Many fashion lovers keep suede bags specifically for autumn, when the weather is cool but dry. Now, I mentioned earlier we'd talk about a material that might surprise you with its durability. We'll get to that in a moment, but first let's cover Saffiano leather. You've seen Saffiano even if you didn't know the name. It's that crosshatch textured leather Prada made famous back in the early 20th century. The texture is actually stamped and coated with wax, making it remarkably scratch-resistant and easy to clean. This is genuinely one of the best materials for everyday bags, because it handles abuse well and maintains its shape. It's pricier than basic leather, but worth every penny if you're hard on your bags. Busy mums, commuters, and frequent travelers often gravitate towards Saffiano for exactly these reasons. A simple wipe with a damp cloth keeps it looking pristine for years. Let's shift to alternatives. Vegan leather, also called PU leather or faux leather, has come a long way in recent years. Modern versions can look surprisingly similar to real leather and cost significantly less, usually under $100. However, it doesn't breathe like real leather, can peel over time, and typically lasts 2 to 4 years with regular use. For trend pieces or budget-conscious shoppers, it works well, but don't expect heirloom quality. It's perfect for experimenting with bold colors or styles you might not commit to in genuine leather. Keep in mind that quality varies dramatically between brands, so read reviews before purchasing. PVC, or polyvinyl chloride, is the cheaper, less eco-friendly cousin of PU leather. It's that stiff, plasticky material you find on very inexpensive bags. It doesn't breathe at all, cracks easily in cold weather, and isn't biodegradable. Unless budget is your absolute primary concern, I'd skip PVC entirely. The environmental impact alone makes it difficult to recommend. Here's that surprising material I mentioned: canvas. Don't underestimate it. High-quality canvas, especially when treated or coated, is incredibly durable and can outlast many leather bags. Think about those Louis Vuitton bags with the monogram print. That's coated canvas, and those things last forever with proper care. Canvas is lightweight, easy to clean, handles weather well, and ranges from very affordable to luxury prices, depending on the brand. For travel and everyday use, especially in unpredictable weather, canvas is genuinely excellent. It's also one of the easiest materials to spot clean, which makes it ideal for anyone with kids or a hectic lifestyle. You can literally toss some canvas bags in the washing machine if needed. Nylon is another underrated champion. It's lightweight, water-resistant, and nearly indestructible. Brands like Longchamp and Prada have proven that nylon can absolutely be luxurious and fashionable. It's perfect for travel, commuting, and anyone who needs a bag that can handle real life without constant worry. Maintenance is basically non-existent. Just wipe it down occasionally with a damp cloth. Prices range from $20 to several hundred for designer options. Nylon also folds down compactly, making it perfect for packing as a backup bag during trips. Cotton bags are casual, breathable, and usually very affordable. Think totes and market bags. They're great for quick errands and beach days, but stain easily and offer little structure or protection for your belongings. Consider cotton for supplementary bags rather than your primary everyday carry. They're also wonderful for grocery shopping as an eco-friendly alternative to plastic bags. Denim brings a fun, casual vibe and has been trending recently on runways and street style alike. It's durable and machine washable, which is incredibly convenient, but it can fade over time and transfer color onto light clothing. Denim bags work best for casual settings and younger demographics. They're not ideal for professional environments or formal occasions. Now let's explore some eco-friendly and unusual options. Cork is genuinely fascinating. It's harvested from cork oak trees without harming them, making it incredibly sustainable and renewable. Cork is naturally water-resistant, lightweight, and surprisingly durable. It has a unique texture that makes a statement and typically falls in the mid-price range. If sustainability matters to you and you want something different, cork deserves serious consideration. Plus, it ages gracefully and requires minimal maintenance beyond occasional wiping. Each cork bag has slightly different natural patterns, making yours truly one of a kind. Straw and raffia are summer staples that evoke vacation vibes instantly. They're lightweight, breathable, and perfect for vacations and beach outings. However, they can unravel with rough handling, aren't water-friendly despite their beachy associations, and definitely don't work for professional settings. Treat them as seasonal pieces and store them carefully in the off-season to prevent crushing or warping. Stuffing them with tissue paper helps maintain their shape during storage. Jute is similar to straw but coarser and even more eco-friendly since it's completely biodegradable. It's best for casual bohemian styles and beach use. Like straw, it requires gentle handling and isn't suited for rain or heavy daily use. Jute bags often come at very accessible price points, making them easy additions to summer wardrobes. Recycled materials are increasingly popular and vary enormously in quality. Some innovative brands use recycled plastic bottles, ocean waste, or repurposed fabrics to create surprisingly durable and stylish bags. Research specific brands carefully because quality differs significantly from one manufacturer to another. This is a growing category worth watching if environmental impact influences your purchasing decisions. Some recycled material bags rival traditional options in durability. Let's talk luxury with exotic leathers. Crocodile, alligator, python, and ostrich are the most common options in this category. These materials are undeniably stunning, incredibly durable when cared for properly, and command prices from several hundred to tens of thousands of dollars. They require specialized care, including conditioning and professional cleaning by experts who understand these delicate skins. Exotic leathers make statement pieces for special occasions or serious collectors, but they're not practical for everyday use and come with ethical considerations worth researching thoroughly before purchasing. Velvet brings drama and sophistication, especially for evening bags and fall fashion. It's soft, luxurious, and catches light beautifully in ways that photograph wonderfully. The downside is it crushes easily, attracts dust and lint like a magnet, and water is absolutely its enemy. Velvet bags should be reserved for special occasions and stored carefully in dust bags. They're not expensive typically, making them accessible for adding some glamour to your collection without major investment. Satin is another evening-focused material beloved for formal events. It has that gorgeous sheen and drapes beautifully on clutches and small bags. Like velvet, it's delicate, stains easily, and requires careful storage away from anything that might snag or discolor it. Keep satin for weddings, galas, and romantic date nights rather than everyday wear. The elegant appearance elevates any formal outfit instantly. Finally, mesh and net bags have surged in popularity recently thanks to fashion influencers and runway shows. They're lightweight, often quite affordable, and have a modern editorial look that photographs beautifully. The obvious downside is they offer zero privacy or protection for your belongings. They work best as secondary bags for specific outings or as a stylish overlay with a solid pouch inside to conceal your items. So there you have it, 20 materials demystified. The right choice ultimately depends on your lifestyle, climate, and how much effort you're willing to put into maintenance. For everyday durability, you can't go wrong with Saffiano leather, coated canvas, or quality nylon. For special occasions, velvet, satin, and patent leather add instant elegance. And if sustainability matters, cork and recycled materials offer increasingly impressive options. Whatever you choose, now you know exactly what you're getting. Your next handbag purchase just got a whole lot smarter. So tell me, which of these bag materials are you into? Let me know in the comments section below. If you found value in this video, you're gonna love this next one.